Hey you guys, it's Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group. I'm really excited. This is probably the most beautiful, most luxurious private property tour. The address is 5467. As you can see, real big, expansive, unobstructed ocean views. This house runs street to street, so you've got Pelican Way behind you, Atlantic view on the front, super prestigious street, one-of-a-kind house, one-of-a-kind neighborhood, some of the highest elevations on Anastasia Island, big protected dunes. Folks, this is quality construction. It's dug foundation, 3 bedrooms, plus an office den, just under 2,900 square feet, insane construction, solar panels. Average electric bill is $8 a month for this house. Impact glass, Trek decking. Let's go take a look. I want to give you guys a private property tour of 5467 Atlantic View. All right guys, so we're out front of 5467 Atlantic View. We started on the top. I wanted you to take in the views, but I also want to start out front here. Tons of pavered parking out front. Now you're going to enter through Pelican Way on the back. That's where the garage is. Tons of parking there as well. There's a lot to take in on this house. I'm going to move quick, but I want to make sure we capture every amazing aspect of this property. So let's go. All right guys, we're on the first floor. This entrance is breathtaking. I mean, everything about it's kind of like a statement almost. All beautiful wood flooring throughout. We're gonna start off to my left. I really like this room. Now, it's not a true bedroom, but it could easily function as a 4th bedroom, home office, extra living space. I think it's super crucial to have. You've got pocket doors to close off. You also have a Jack and Jill bathroom setup that's connected to the 1st bedroom. Something else really important to note on this house, because everybody loves storage right now. Tons of storage under here. It goes all the way back under the stairs around the corner. Again, I love this hall. More storage here. Laundry, 1st floor, which is totally crucial. Around the corner, you have some granite countertops for folding. We're gonna go into bedroom 1 of 3. Really great sized bedrooms. Nice closet space for both rooms. We'll take you to the 2nd bedroom next. We'll get a clip of this Jack and Jill bathroom. You've got another full bathroom down here. So you've got 2 full bathrooms on the 1st floor. Beautiful setup in there. Bedroom 2 of 3. I'll stand back here for reference. Again, all impact glass. Every square foot of this home has been utilized to perfection. All right. We've also got the back entrance from Pelican Way. So traditionally, you're gonna drive your car into the garage, come in through this way. You also have a side door. Outdoor shower. We'll get a couple clips of the outside for you. Another big closet. And my favorite feature, and we'll get a clip of the stairs, the elevator. Call the elevator, come in with your groceries, walk right in here. It's super spacious. I'm gonna take the elevator. I'll meet you guys upstairs. Here I am. Gotta love taking the elevator up. So I'm gonna walk past you. It might be hard to see with the film, but there's big ocean views of the Atlantic Ocean, super high ceilings, tons of porch space here, guys. There's east deck, west deck off the master. So I'm standing back here for reference, guys. All open living. You've got the living room here. You've got formal dining right here. Tons of window space again. Guys, the amount of natural light that comes into this home is insane. I mean, it's truly breathtaking. Come into the kitchen, you've got beautiful granite countertops, big tile backsplash, 5-burner gas range stove, stainless steel appliances. We've got a deep, again, more closet space. This is a massive walk-in pantry. You're cooking, you're doing the dishes, all with keeping the views in mind. Entertaining. I mean, everybody's a part of the conversation and flow, which I absolutely love about this floor plan. Working from home's becoming more and more common. They were mindful when building this home. Again, newer construction, great little office setup here. You saw me come out of the elevator. You've got a half bathroom. Then we're gonna step into the master. great size, deep closet space. You know what? Let's go check out this balcony because I'm waking up, grabbing a cup of coffee. This is the first place I'm going in the morning. Let's go check this out. Hopping off to the west deck. This is right off the master. I love that it's all pavered, and these pavers actually match the driveway, and it's kind of nice we're stepping out here now that I'm thinking about it, because this is the back entrance off of Pelican Way. So you've got a really deep lot, over 130 feet deep. It goes street to street, which is pretty rare to find in this neighborhood. So I'm definitely having my mornings out here. Let's go back inside and finish off this tour. All right, guys, so we're coming off the west porch. We're still in the master, which again is such an amazing space. The ensuite, you've got double vanity sinks, big linen closet, toilet, plus double shower. When I say double shower, you get the rain shower and another one, so you can get a little dual action. Really spacious. So we're gonna come through one more time through the main living quarters, because I want you to take this in. I mean, the kitchen, the dining room, the living, it just flows perfectly together. Everything about this house is incredibly tasteful. Everything's been accounted for. Every square foot is utilized to perfection. I want to take you out into this east porch, Trek decking, take in these views, and wrap this tour up for you. We're saving the best for last. So we started on the top deck, top porch. You got the spiral staircases taking you up there. I love this porch space though. Outdoor barbecues, morning coffee, evening happy hour. 5467 Atlantic View is truly a one-of-a-kind type property. It's got energy efficiency with the solar panels, quality construction, amazing floor plan. It's got the views, one of arguably the best neighborhoods on the island. Contact my team today. I want to get you through this personally. Now that you've taken the private property tour virtually, let's get you through this house. It's one for the books, super luxury, super amazing. This is just something that is, you gotta see it to fully understand it. Folks, thanks for taking time and watching this tour. My name is Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group. Where exceeding your expectation is our standard, and we look forward to getting you through here real soon. Thanks.